Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email describes apartment problems clearly and politely. If you need more time to read, feel free to pause the video now. The response answers all 3 bullet points. It gives details about 3 problems, such as the bathroom sink is leaking. It also explains how they are affecting the writer's comfort and health, like the room gets very cold and it is hard to sleep. Finally, the writer asks for repairs and gives clear times when she is available. The structure of the email is strong. It starts with a greeting and short sentence about the reason for writing. Each paragraph focuses on one topic, which makes it easy to follow. The tone is polite and formal, which is a good choice when writing to a building manager. Linking words like firstly, secondly, and lastly help the reader understand the order of ideas. The writer also uses because of this and I hope to connect thoughts smoothly. 2 stretch words are mold and comfortably. These are not difficult but are helpful words to learn at this level. One tip for beginners: before you write, make a list of the 3 things you want to say. This will help you stay organized and include all the points in the task. This response gives a strong answer to the question by choosing option A and clearly explaining why. If you want more time to read it, you can pause the video here. The writer supports their choice with two good reasons. First, they say, people can enjoy right away, and explain why that's easier than planning a day off. Second, they say the reward supports local businesses and helps the neighborhood. These ideas are simple, clear, and make sense. The answer has a good structure. It starts with a short sentence that names the choice. Each paragraph focuses on one main reason, which makes the email easy to follow. The final paragraph gives a short opinion to finish the email well. The tone is semi-formal, which is a good fit for writing about a work survey. Some helpful linking words are firstly, also, and so. These help ideas move smoothly. Two stretch words are appreciated and community. These words add strength without making the email too hard. Here's a useful tip. Try to give two different reasons that support your choice. Make sure each one has an example or short explanation. This helps your ideas sound clear and complete. This answer gives a full response to the question by choosing option B and supporting it clearly. If you need more time to read, feel free to pause the video. The writer gives two strong reasons for their choice. First, they say, a paid day off gives them time to rest, and explain how this helps workers feel better. Second, they say time is more valuable than money for many people, and explain how it helps with stress and health. These ideas are easy to understand and explain the choice well. The email is well organized. It begins with a clear sentence saying which option they chose. Each paragraph gives one reason with a short example. The tone is respectful and semi-formal, which works well for a workplace topic. The conclusion is short but ends the email nicely. Helpful linking words include, first of all, also, and so. These guide the reader from one idea to the next. Two good stretch words are refreshed and well-being. These are useful vocabulary for talking about health and work life. Here's a helpful tip for beginners. Start with the option you like. Then write two reasons. Use short sentences and linking words to explain your thinking clearly.